So if you never tried Korean beauty before, you want a really simple routine, this is how you start. K-beauty is iconic for the double cleanse. Number 1 cleansing oil in K-beauty is the Anua cleansing oil. This is the cleansing oil that draws all the sebum out. White dot is a sebaceous filament. It draws it all out, keeping your nose really clean. After doing it for about 60 seconds, you have to emulsify it with water, wash it off completely, and go in with a water-based cleanser. This is the best one for pores. No pore deep cleansing foam. Gets into all those chin pores, cleaning your pores from inside out. Uses heart leaf powder, creates really dense bubbles like the ones you see on my face right now. Dense bubbles are able to foam into your pores. Helps to gently clear all the impurities from your pores. This is the cleanser that always makes my skin feel really clean. You have to wash it away with water again and then completely dry your skin. Cleanser is perfect for those with sensitive skin. The main ingredient is heart leaf. Leaves your skin feeling really clean but not tight. Korean beauty, my favorite way to exfoliate is using toner pads. This is Celimax BHA toner pads. One of the most popular toner pads in Korea. 2 sides. It has a gauze side and a smooth side. Skin, you should always use the smooth side because you don't want to damage your barrier. Gauze side might be too harsh for some skin types. This is the perfect exfoliation if you have textured skin. How I use the gauze side. So I use the gauze side behind my ears because behind the ears is the sebum zone. I use it to purify the back of my ears. Sometimes the gauze pad turns yellow. That's all sebum. Then I go in with a bean essence. Vegan version of snail mucin. The same texture, same benefits. So textured skin, hydration, and helps you heal a damaged barrier. Essence really transformed my skin because it helps with my skin's overall radiance and texture. Skin gets really clogged usually, but bean essence really helps that because it contains fermented pomegranate that's a natural AHA. And I use fermented Centella asiatica. Fermented Centella asiatica helps control blemishes in your skin. If you have any redness, it's going to calm it down. Also helps control the sebum production. Also helps dark spots and any hyperpigmentation. Leaves your skin with a glossy glass skin finish. That's why I love using fermented Centella asiatica. To lock in all of that with a cream. My favorite is this Mixun bean cream. I found that this cream leaves my skin feeling so hydrated and it leaves my skin really glassy, but it doesn't have that sticky finish. The creams I use have that really sticky finish. It leaves your skin feeling really sticky all day. Just getting into K-beauty and you just want a really simple routine is exactly what I would use.